Invideo AI is that AI video generator you need to create videos. I am not even kidding or exaggerating. You already know that this channel, Ray Creators Lab, specializes in researching AI and online tools. So, trust me when I say that I've been testing AI tools, and Invideo AI is one that blew me away. Think about an AI tool that you could give just one prompt to, and then boom, you have a full movie, ad, or video. That tool is Invideo. Once again, you are welcome to Ray Creators Lab, where we give you tips, tutorials, step-by-step guides, insights, and updates on the latest AI and online tools to help you become more productive. If you are new here and have not subscribed to my channel, kindly support me by hitting the subscribe button now. Also, like and share this video and leave a comment below. Don't forget to turn on your notification button for more valuable content. Now, let me show you how you can generate a full video with just one prompt. It could be a movie, an ad, or just any kind of video. The first step is to visit Invideo's website. Don't worry, I have included the link in the description below. Then click Try Invideo AI and create an account. The second step is for you to type your prompt, specify the length, and indicate if a voiceover is needed. Click Generate, and your video will be created. Now let's see the result of what we just created with that prompt.
I've explored abandoned places before, but nothing could have prepared me for Pripyat. The empty streets stretch out before me, a silent testament to a vanished way of life. Nature is slowly reclaiming what was once a thriving Soviet city. Trees push through cracked concrete and vines crawl up the sides of decaying buildings. The iconic Ferris wheel, never used, stands as a haunting symbol of dreams unfulfilled. In an abandoned apartment, I find a child's doll, left behind in the rush to evacuate. It's a stark reminder of the lives interrupted by the Chernobyl disaster. Standing here, I can almost hear the echoes of the past, the laughter of children, the bustle of daily life. Now only the wind whispers through the empty corridors of this ghost town. The clock in the town square is forever frozen at the moment of evacuation, a poignant metaphor for a city where time stands still. Pripyat serves as a chilling warning, a monument to the unforeseen consequences of our technological ambitions. As I leave, I carry with me the weight of this place, a city frozen in time. In the end, Pripyat reminds us of the delicate balance between progress and preservation, and the enduring resilience of nature in the face of human absence.
Here are a couple more examples. The first one is the National Geographic-style documentary. Take a look.
The world before us is a symphony in blue and white. Ice stretches as far as the eye can see. The silence is broken only by the wind whistling through frozen fjords. Towering cliffs of ice, sculpted by time and weather, stand guard over this frozen kingdom. Glaciers, ancient rivers of ice, creep relentlessly towards the ocean. The sky is a deep twilight blue, a canvas for the setting sun. Light dances across the ice, creating a radiant glow, a breathtaking spectacle of nature's power and artistry. This is a place of timeless beauty, a frozen majesty that reminds us of the sheer scale and wonder of our planet.
The second is a Mustang video ad. This is so impressive. Just watch this. The last example I want to show you is the Street Fighter Ultimate Showdown teaser video. You can agree with me that Invideo AI is just a game changer for agencies, content creators, and small businesses. It makes bringing ideas to life so much simpler. Why don't you go ahead and give it a try? You'll see what I mean. To do so, kindly follow the link provided in the description below. So, that's how to use Invideo to generate videos. If you find this video helpful, kindly support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. Leave your comment in the comment section below to let me know what you think about this AI tool.